This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Hi everyone, I hope that you're having a great day. This is the next video in our series on the best apartments in Dallas. So far we've covered Victory Park and the Arts District, so this video will cover the Central Business District of downtown Dallas. In 1999, only approximately 200 people were living in downtown Dallas. Today, there are approximately 75,000 people living in and near the city center. So now, there are many options of places to live if you want to live downtown in Dallas and have more of an urban and walkable lifestyle. I pulled this list together based on Google ratings of the downtown Dallas area apartments at the time of making this video. Let me know in the comments if you agree with the list or not. Number 5 on our list is 1900 Pacific, located at, you guessed it, 1900 Pacific Avenue. This building has a 4.0 rating on Google. One of the reviewers commented that they love the great community, the events, and they feel safe here. The building prides itself on being a haven for both professionals and creatives. It has co-working spaces for both art and music, which is really a unique feature that I haven't seen in other buildings. Also, with being an energy-efficient building, your energy bill shouldn't be too high. I read a few negative reviews, and one was about a resident not getting a deposit back, and another was about someone who came to visit the building and didn't have a good experience. But one-star reviews like that really weigh down a property's rating, but don't necessarily make it a bad place to live. Building amenities include a fitness center with park views, free bike storage, and a rooftop deck. Apartment amenities include mud-style room entries, quartz countertops, and some units have wine fridges. Studios in this building start at $1,460, one bedrooms around $1,650, and two bedrooms around $2,200 per month. Next on our list, with a 4.1 rating, is the LTV Tower. This building is located at 1555 Elm Street, right across the street from Campese's and Stone Place in Woolworth. This building originally opened in 1964 as an office building and housed the executive headquarters for its namesake, LTV, Ling Temco Vought, and it also housed the National Bank of Commerce. After a series of various owners and purposes, in 2015, the building completed its conversion as a combination of a Hilton Garden Inn and apartments. The hotel lobby is on the first floor, parking on floors 2 through 4, the hotel on floors 5 through 14, and the apartments on floors 15 through 32. As the building is part of a hotel, residents note that the building is very clean, safe, and well maintained. Also, residents have access to valet parking, a rooftop pool, and an on-site restaurant. The website only shows 2 floor plans, one for a 1-bedroom and one for a 2-bedroom, so not a lot of options or variety there. 1-bedroom apartments in this building start around $1,200 and 2 bedrooms start around $1,800 per month. Number 3 is the Drakestone. This building first opened in 1925 as the headquarters for Republic National Bank. In 2002, it was successfully renovated as the Davis Building with 183 lofts. Now it's known as the Drakestone after an ownership change. The building is a 20-story high-rise located at 1309 Main Street. The repurposing of this building shows through with these unique lofts. The lofts feature quartz countertops, large walk-in closets, and some units have even 2-story floor plans. The building itself has a 24/7 concierge, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a rooftop oasis with a grotto pool. Residents also get discounts at local restaurants including CBD Provisions, Americano, and Queso Beso. That's a pretty good perk if you ask me. Studios in this building start around $1,600 a month, 1 bedroom's around $1,800, and 2 bedrooms around $3,000 per month. Next on our list with a 4.2 rating is One Dallas Center, which is located at 350 North St. Paul Street. This building has many luxury amenities, including a 30th floor clubroom and sky lounge, resort-style pool with private cabanas, and a 5,000 square foot fitness center with a spin theater. Residents here love the views, the staff, and the amenities. But one of the downfalls of this building is that there are no balconies or windows that open, so just keep that in mind if it's something that's important to you. Studios in this building start around $1,500 per month, 1 bedroom's around $1,900, and then 2 bedrooms around $2,800 per month. The top spot on our list, now based on Google reviews, goes to 1900 Elm. This building was first built as a department store, and many of the original architectural features still show. The building does not have any of the other amenities that many other buildings have, so no pool, and the gym is noted as being decent, but definitely not state of the art. Some of the comments include that the walls are paper thin and that pet owners aren't super vigilant about cleaning up after their pets. From what I can tell, this building has many high reviews from a few years ago, but the newer reviews aren't as glowing, especially as there are many more options of places to live downtown. However, this building is still a good option if you're looking for a downtown experience. Most units in this building are studios with prices starting around $1,300 per month. So there's your list of the best apartments in downtown Dallas. Do you agree with this list, or do you live in any of these buildings? Just let me know down in the comments. Also, check out our other videos on the Best Apartment series and look out for our new videos about other neighborhoods too. Thanks! This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.